Hey, welcome back to Keeping Scores. In this particular section, we're going to go and change our scores by 1 and pop it to the bottom of on sprite and player in the overlap. So on here, once they destroy 1, we are going to grab that block, and we'll go and into info and grab it by 1 and put it to the bottom of the projectiles. So hopefully once they destroy each other now, so my voice is going a bit strange. When we hit the dino now, it should give us a score, and it is. So if I go full screen on this, we can see that as the game plays, we can see that our score as we collect these, which is making quite a playable game already. But we want to go a little bit further, don't we? Let's go add a full screen, and we want to go next, giving our hints a quick check. How do we like it so far? It's good, I like it, but something isn't quite right. So if we click on here, we've now got the entire set of blocks. So this will help us just work out something's not working here. We can check our blocks here and go back as well. We can go back and check out what we need. 7, good. So now we've got 15 seconds. We're going to change our countdown timer in info. We want this countdown timer to start from 10 to 15 seconds, and let's go and change this 15 seconds. So now we've got 15 seconds at the beginning to get as many dinos as possible. We still don't have a baddie, we still don't have a projectile that's going to take points away, but hopefully we'll get one in a second. Let's see if we're correct. Yes, we are. So info in the grab. So from info, grab the countdown end. Let's go see what happens. So in the countdown in info, so on the countdown end, hopefully we are going to have lose to win that we had in our previous game, which is one thing that we really like, because then we can go and choose our. I like the splatter. So we can go and have an effect that we had before. The one thing that's missing at the moment is still animation, because at the moment Dino is walking along here, and so is Baby, and they look like they're skating. So I'd imagine we're going to add some animation soon. So Mama Dino can collect her babies and earn points in 15 seconds. How many can we get in here? So we're going to go to the next bit soon, which is 3 of 4, and we're going to go and restart this. Hopefully you can get your points, and maybe you can make your game a little bit longer and have a different effect at the end of your game too. So I'll see you in the next part.